What's up, guys? Here's the Derek and Bruce show. It's CEDIA 2024, and we're here at the TCL booth. It's very cool. It's their first time to be here, and they have some really, really cool stuff to show us. Bruce, tell us what we got here.
Derek, thanks for having us, guys. Thanks for tuning in. We are very excited to be here, our first CEDIA. Truth be told, we haven't been here in the past because up until this year, we didn't have great things our custom integrators need, like IP control, discrete IR codes. We got them now. We're ready to be a great vendor for you. Starting with really one of the most amazing TVs.
Look at this TV, guys.
You cannot find anything like this anywhere else in one of the largest trade shows in the world. 115-inch QD mini LED TV, the world's largest QD mini LED TV. For the nit nerds that are out there, you get things like, we rated at 5,000 nits of peak brightness. I've seen independent testers get close to 7,000. Wow. You're looking at 20,000 zones of local dimming. If the contrast and black level don't come through on there, Derek, testify.
Oh yeah, yeah. And
oh good,
yeah.
It's
in person. The cameras are doing it justice too. That is a true black. It is really, really beautiful.
And really, the secret sauce that we have that nobody else can talk about is all of this great TV is powered by an incredible backlight, and the QD mini LED backlight we design, engineer, and manufacture ourselves. Some of the smarter customers out there looking to say, who makes the panels for this TV? Yeah. The answer is we do. We make the panel, the backlight.
It's beautiful.
We make those feeds.
When I was, my brother was telling me about it, and I expected it to be a 115, to be a split 4-screener. I was going to see a scene, and
a gold piece of glass.
Yeah, no, it is. That's got to be a little hard to ship. How much does it weigh?
So some neat facts about it is, by itself to install it, 214 pounds. So nothing crazy.
Not terrible.
It comes with 4 handles in the box.
Okay.
Screw in here.
Okay, so you can actually
lift it up.
I love it.
Shipping. It's triple boxed plus a wooden crate, about 515 pounds.
Right on.
So it's not getting damaged in shipping.
Yeah, not getting damaged.
So that's a challenge, but once you get it uncrated, it's manageable.
So more a thing that we want to ship directly to our clients' houses versus, absolutely. Yeah, I ain't trying to load up 500 pounds to my work van and yeah, that's no fun.
Really excited about it. Because it's TCL, all the miles this year on Google operating systems, you have all the great streaming platforms. If you or any of your customers are into calibration, it's got a 2 and 20-point waypointing, RGB gains and cuts.
Very cool.
Dolby Vision IQ. Even in and of itself in the TV, it's a 6.1.2 audio system. Obviously, I think most customers buying this might have an external audio source of some sort.
Yeah. If you're able to get in that range, and then we can combine this with things. We're a big dealer for Mad VR and Kaleidoscape, so we throw them on top of it, as well as the calibrations. We're huge into calibrations, TVs, projectors, everything audio.
This gets calibrated. It is dead nuts accurate.
Yes. And we would have a lot of fun playing with it.
It's awesome.
So I got to ask the question at the end here. What's our price point like?
So excited to be here because when I tell people this price, they're like, "Wow, that's a great price." 20.
Wow. That's actually what I was going to guess, and that is that when you said great price, I would have initially guessed like 40. But
people are saying
you cannot beat that.
Yeah, we're very excited.
I mean, y'all stepped your game up, because normally you think of TCL, that cheap TV you're going to go pick up from Walmart.
We've gotten better and better through the years, and honestly, I have set up and conducted side-by-side comparisons of the smaller version of against name it. The Bravia 9s, the QN90Ds, S95Ds. So we've done G4s and G3s, and we put them side by side, and it definitely holds its own. And the beauty of this, with 5,000 nits of peak brightness, you don't have to build the room around the TV. You don't have to live in a cave. Put this in the sunroom. 5,000 nits is going to overcome anything you can throw at it. So we're very excited that you can have this.
You guys are shaking the game up a little bit. That's kind of the theme of CEDIA this year. It's been a while where things have been kind of stagnant, but it's cool to see you guys coming in and actually be able to hold your own. I mean, I'm a Sony direct dealer, we're a Sony Dion dealer, so of course I'm going to stand behind my people.
Absolutely.
I'm a big LG fan advocate. I think you're winning us over a little bit right here with this 150-inch
I mean, if you're a car manufacturer and people are comparing it to Ferrari and Porsche, you're in a good spot, and that's where we are now. People are saying,
wonderful.
How is this compared to a G4? And then when you get to size and you talk about some of those other ones in terms of size,
and I mean, the profile is not that bad either. It's not shallow.
It's a 1,000 by 600 VESA pattern, so nothing outrageous.
Yeah, I mean, I need to put it on a beefier mount, but
all the major players make a mount that'll fit it. We actually have one where we're looking. We make it. We haven't figured out how to get it to the market yet, if we do it direct, but we have them out for it. So there's lots of good options out there.
Right on. Yeah, I mean, I've been doing this for 15 years in the installers portion of it, so I've mounted thousands and thousands of TVs. I'm not scared of this, and
Absolutely.
But yeah, you definitely want a preferred kind of installer. You're not going to order this TV and try to mount it yourself.
Absolutely not.
You don't want to break your $20,000 TV.
Exactly.
What's our warranty like on it?
Gear parts and labor, all in-home service. We have a national service network. Our customer advocacy team is based right in Irvine, California.
Right on.
So if you have any problems, contact them and we make it right.
Cool.
Yeah.
That is awesome support. You don't see that a whole lot.
Yep.
This is just gorgeous. Even thinking back to the biggest TV from last year at CEDIA, it honestly doesn't hold a candle to what you guys.
We're excited. Like I said,
it's very cool.
Traditionally, off-axis is when blooming raises its ugly head on a TV like this. Do you see any blooming from where you're standing?
No.
We're really excited. And again, it's our chip, our optics, our panels that all work seamlessly together, designed and engineered by us. So
I like it a lot.
Stuff.
I hear you have one other TV here that's a little game changer.
Little something else. Yeah, come on.
What's on the other side here?
So this is
what we have here, guys.
This is our NXTFrame TV. So this took me a little.
See what you did there.
Yeah, it took me a little bit to wrap my head around this as a TV nerd.
Yeah.
This isn't for someone who wants a TV that can be a piece of art. It's for someone who wants a piece of art that can also be a TV.
Smart. That's simple. It's right there.
It's so funny. Obviously, I've shown this to hundreds and hundreds of people this week. I had one person ask me the brightness on it. And I said, I don't know. Nobody's ever asked. Yeah. It's not what this is about.
No, well, it's not what it's for. Yeah. I like the way that you're putting that.
Yeah.
I mean, I have the other competitor to it. And honestly, you guys, I have one in my home. It's a 50-inch that we had gotten for free from a trade show. But what you guys have here it's very, very, very close. And not even close. I mean, I couldn't, if you put them side by side, I don't know if I could even tell.
I bet you as someone who hangs TVs can tell the difference pretty easily when I tell you there's no external control box. It's all built into the TV.
Talking to my heart, my friend. You have no idea the struggles I have been through.
1.1 inches thin.
Yeah.
I can show you when we're done. This is all the HDMI core recessed panel on there. About the only thing to think about is power. You can do a recessed outlet or something.
Recessed outlet and that. I mean, I'm still going to put in a box behind it because I'm going to put in an Apple TV or I'm going to put in a Strato V, something like that.
So just some, because it's a TCL TV, it is Google operating system. And at the push of a button, you launch our art gallery where you've got a curated library, all free, library of art pieces. What's really cool.
Oh, it's free.
Yeah, all the art is free. Cool thing we also have is AI art. So suppose you want to see something different. You picture Van Gogh Impressionism.
Sure.
You grab something and then you want something to be peaceful on a lake.
Yeah.
It now goes up to the cloud, which is right there. I found it's up there. And it creates a piece of art. If I did those same parameters again, it would create an entirely different picture. Yeah. So you can have a virtually unlimited amount, and there's your art.
Gorgeous.
You can save it to your library.
Y'all nailed the matte finish as well.
Yeah, really sharp.
You nailed it.
Another nice thing, you're gonna like this. So it comes white out of the box. This is included as well.
It's included with it. So yes, it comes with. So Warren over here. It comes with this.
Yeah.
So
and while we're over here,
so we don't need to frame my TV. Your free TV's already framed.
Yeah. It's available in 2 flavors. It'll come like this with a stereo speaker system, or we're offering a version with a Bang & Olufsen 3.1.2 audio system as well.
Wonderful.
So available 55, 65, 75, and 85.
So a big touch base from the installer perspective out here, guys. This is just clipped on with magnets. This is just simple and easy. I don't know if anybody's used the competitor to this, but they make it a little complicated, and I always wished it would be a little bit easier and seamless like that.
And it's been on and off a million times, but when you do it for your customers, there's a little tongue and groove on the back to make it so it looks good.
Understood.
And there's 2 tiny screws that hold the bottom on. Yeah. That's where the gravity's going in.
And you guys don't forget that, like he said, there's no one connect box, so you don't need to add that to your customer, or if you are a customer yourself looking at the TV, you don't need to cut out this giant box and put everything inside the wall, worry about heat retention. If that box has a problem, there's just so many reasons why that solves a lot of problems. Yep. So that is very cool.
Yes.
Especially in situations where you have a fireplace or a mantle, or you're on brick.
All that's
on brick. What do you do with it? Right. You got to take the house apart to put the box in. So
pop it up on there.
Yeah.
And also,
well done.
The way you see it mounted there, the wall mount comes in the box as well. It comes with the little 4-piece plate on the TV.
You did a good one, because that's another thing that I got a problem with.
So 2 of these go on the TV.
Okay.
And then the plates go on
Easy
the wall.
peasy, so very similar design. And actually, I like this more because the other problem I have with the other one is it doesn't latch as well. It sits on this weird hook.
And then this is magnetic. There's a lot of magnets on the TV that it snaps onto.
Very cool. Very cool. Well done. I'm looking forward to installing some of these.
So it comes with the wall mount in the box. Table stand is optional. Floor stand is optional as well.
I love the metal that you did around it too, because that makes it feel like more like an art frame.
Exactly.
Yeah, it doesn't feel plastic. It feels quality. I'm very impressed with TCL. I wanted to have said that last year.
You hear that?
Very good.
We're very excited to be able to service this channel this year. We know, for personally, not only is it you guys buy great stuff. It's good for us. It's good for your customers.
Absolutely.
But for every, before Wednesday, I would never have sold you a TV. So all this is brand new. It's not like I'm reintroducing product to existing customers. It's a whole new channel for us and really going to elevate our brand.
There you go.
Being the official TV partner of the NFL helps us.
That helps you a lot.
In this channel. By the way, any of your customers that buy the 115-inch, until the contest runs out, they get a free ticket to the Super Bowl.
That is really cool.
Chances are my Patriots won't be there.
You hear that, guys?
Fingers crossed.
Yeah, if you want that $20,000 TV right there, you get a free ticket to the Super Bowl. So
exciting. That is very cool for you football fans out there. So, awesome, that's it, man. Thank you so much, Bruce. I feel like that was by that viewers tuned it in. Yeah, y'all take care. Thanks for coming to the Bruce and Derek show, and let's see you on the next one.